All right, sixth graders. So for success period today, we are going to primarily focus just on area. We're going to look at this for triangles, parallelograms, and we're also going to look at this for rectangles and for squares. So let's first figure out what does area mean, because we know right here we got to find the area of each figure. Okay, so area represents the amount of space on the inside of the figure. Okay, so that's what area is, the amount of space taken up on the inside of the figure. Whereas perimeter represents the distance all the way around the figure. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at the first one. It says find the area of each figure. Okay, and this is for rectangle ABCD. Okay, and so our formula for finding the area is area equals the base, which in this case is 5 units, and it also is the height, which I can see is 4 units. So it says right here, A represents our area. I multiply the 5 times the 4. Okay, so what's 5 times 4 equal? It equals 20. So the area of rectangle ABCD is 20 square units. Okay, or I could write this as 20 units squared. Okay, so that's a simple step for finding the area of a rectangle. Now I also want to look at, we're going to find the area of a triangle this time. Okay, so once again, area represents the amount of space on the inside of the figure. Okay, and so we're looking to find the area of triangle ABC. So our formula this time around is area equals 1/2 base times height. Or shorten it, A equals 1/2 B times H. Okay, so notice how they put this. They have 1/2 and then they multiplied the 4 times the 3 first. Okay, so what's 4 times 3 equal? That gives us 12, and then what's 12 multiplied by 1/2? Should equal 6. So I have 12 multiplied by 1/2, which I know this is equal to 12 over 2, and 2 goes into 12, 6 total times. And so then if I put my labeling, I know it's 6 units squared. All right, so let's look at one more. So now our last one, we're going to look at just finding the area of a parallelogram. Okay, so if I notice a parallelogram, you see how it's shifted to its side? All they're doing is taking a rectangle and they're just pushing on both the side walls. Okay, so that's how we're going to have the same formula here. So we're looking to find the area of parallelogram DEFG, okay? And so the area is the same formula. It's just the base multiplied by the height. So if I look here, I recognize my base is 6 units, and I see that my height is 3 units. So I can put those numbers, and I'm multiplying 6 times 3, which gives me 18 square units. Or another way to write it, 18 U squared. Alrighty, remember, once again, if you have any questions, please raise your hand, but I think we shouldn't have any problems with this. Good luck.